Hey y'all, it's Neesha. This is my 5-month update. Nothing much has changed since my 4th month update. I did retwist my hair again. So I filmed that 4-month back in, I think it was April, and I retwisted after 6 weeks. I did it myself this time. So I probably will do maybe every other retwist will be done by me, and then the others will be done by a loctician, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm still loving my hair. I haven't lost any locks. I have a little bit of shedding from my extensions, but it's nothing too crazy. It's just a few pieces if I shake it. But I've seen others who have lock extensions. Theirs shed a lot, like a lot. So I'm glad I don't have that problem. I did recently put a rinse in my hair. It was by Door, and I think it's called like Velvet Black or Black Velvet, something like that, because my hair, last time I colored it with the permanent color, I didn't get the underside. So this time I wanted to make sure that I got the underside. So now it's very, very dark and I'm loving it. I love the color of how dark it is, because before it was like a lighter brown and my hair was darker. So now it's all one color. My retwist, I mean, it's not perfect. I did it myself and I didn't like tie it down. I tied it down with this bonnet. I know bonnets are a hot topic, but I didn't tie it down like with a regular scarf. So, and this is some curls that I put in on Sunday. I went to brunch and I had some flexi rods, so I just threw them in for like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Of course, it's been a few days now, so they're not as curly as they were, but I still like it. It gives it volume. And next time I'll probably, you know, dry it longer or in underneath the dryer, because they didn't come out super duper curly, but again, I still like it. So it just gave it a little volume. Let's see what else. I feel like I was nervous about my locks on my edge, my hairline, but they're coming in pretty good. Like they're not hanging on by like 3 strands of hair. Ever since I took those 2 locks out a long time ago, it's been, I think I took them out basically right after I got it. So I know one I took out right after I got them installed. And then another one, I think about a month later or so. So I just blend them in with lock that was nearby. I think this is one area right here where I had a lock, and I just wrapped the hair around this lock basically. So yeah, I have no complaints. I still love my hair very much. My hair is definitely growing. I can tell just based on the photos that I've been taking. And if you want to see more pictures, go on my Instagram, Neesha Shakeera. The link is down below. I post on there way more than I post on here. But yeah, I recently also posted my month 3 and my month 4. I posted them on the same day. Month 3, I totally forgot to film like a long form video. I just happened to film a few clips on my phone, so I just posted that. And my month 4 is a little bit longer, and it talks more in depth about how my hair is doing after 5 months. So, I mean, after 4 months. So this is my 5th month. My 6th month will be on the 24th of June. So, wow, time flies, like I tell you. Do I feel like my hair is growing? Like I said, definitely yes. Does it feel like it's locking? Definitely yes. So in the front, the locks that were installed are thicker than how my locks are coming in. But as you can see, this is way smaller, I mean, in diameter than the lock that I got installed. But I would say for the most part, the rest are basically the same. Like right here is where it was installed, and this is my hair. So as you can see, I mean, you could barely tell. It's like the same diameter. So I assumed that my locks on the edges would be smaller, which is totally fine with me, because my hair is it's pretty fine. So it's not the thickest. I have 78 locks now, and I started with 80. I do have a lock count video if people like to see stuff like that, but I just told you how many I have. So yeah, I have 78 locks. I love my hair still. Like, I just love it. I mean, I have no complaints. Like, I have no complaints at all. And I know some people still feel a way about lock extensions, but that's their problem, not mine, because it's the way that I'm choosing to start my lock journey. So I really didn't want to go through having short locks. I had, you know, I big chopped when I went natural. So yeah, I already went through a short phase of my hair. And I used to have a shortcut like Monica when I was relaxed too. Couldn't tell me nothing, okay? But yeah, so I didn't really want to go through that shorter lock phase. So that's why I chose to do this. I started with 12 inches and I had about 2 to 3 inches of hair left. And Allie, my loctician, I think she did the braid method, and then you wrap it with the kinky hair and then use your crochet tool to put them, you know, attach them. So, but yeah, I would say my hair, like my longest lock in appearance is the one that's at my nape, of course, because that's the bottom of my head. So, and it goes all the way down, down, down. Like it's past my armpit to my bosom, this side too. It's just getting so long. It was definitely not this long when I started. Like my hair, it was definitely not this long. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely doing something. So I can't wait to see how it is come December 24th, which is be my year lock anniversary. I can't wait to see. And I joke and said that I won't cut my locks until they get to my booty. Then I'll start trimming off the extensions. I'm joking. It might be too much for me to handle that much hair. So I'll probably, you know, slowly start snipping away, but definitely not in the first year. I'm not going to cut any away. I know there's been 2 people who have lock extensions who cut their hair recently. And I think one is Trinity, I think is her name. She got her locks done here in Georgia as well. And then there's Shanice Danae, I believe is her name. She cut her locks too. So, but I think Shanice had hers for like 2 years or more. And then I think Trinity had hers for about a year or so. But yeah, I'm probably not going to cut mine to a bob or anything like that anytime soon. I probably won't ever do, because I like the length that it is. So I probably won't go shorter than this, because I could do so much with this. I could do a lot of hairstyles with this. So I just love it. It's like, I love it so much and highly recommend. Just make sure you do your research on your loctician, and you should be fine. So that's about it. If you have any questions, you can put them down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.